Hello everyone from Elif's Kitchen. In this recipe, I want to share with you a recipe that is easy to make and incredibly delicious. Once you try it, you won't want to buy it from outside anymore. Thin, soft, and very delicious at home. I want to share the leaf doner recipe. I used half a kilo of medium-fat beef brisket mince. Make sure to use medium-fat mince. And mince it twice. If you wish, you can also mince it mixed with lamb, it will be much more delicious that way. Add 1 large onion, grated with the fine part of the grater, along with its juice, to the mince. Add 1 teacup of yogurt on top. Sprinkle 1 level teaspoon of baking soda over the yogurt. You can also use 2 level tablespoons of semolina or breadcrumbs. I used semolina. I added about 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of red pepper flakes, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and about 1 level teaspoon of cumin. Adjust the amount of salt and spices according to your taste. Knead our mixture for about 5 minutes. At the end of 5 minutes, add 1 teacup of plain mineral water. If you wish, you can also use normal water instead of mineral water. Knead for about 5 more minutes after adding the mineral water. I kneaded my mixture for a total of 10 minutes. As you can see, it became like chewing gum. Divide it into 4 pieces by eye. Place 1 sheet of parchment paper on the counter. Place 1/4 of our mixture on it. Press it down slightly. Place another sheet of parchment paper on top. Roll it out with a rolling pin to thin it. Carefully remove the top sheet of parchment paper. Roll it up loosely from the narrow side of the paper, without pressing too tightly. Place the rolled mixture on a baking tray. Roll out and roll up the remaining mixture in the same way. Place it on the baking tray. In a preheated 200-degree oven, fan off, top and bottom heat setting. Let it bake for about half an hour. Remove it from the oven after half an hour. Doner will be ready while hot. Easily transfer it to a serving plate. With its juicy, soft, and wonderfully delicious taste, the leaf doner is ready. Cut it into pieces. And the magnificent leaf doner is ready to serve. If you wish, you can serve it in bread. If you wish, on top of rice. If you wish, as Iskender. You can prepare it as. It turned out to be a great doner. I'm sure you'll love it when you try it too. Bon appétit to those who will try it. If you watched and liked my video up to this point, with your likes, comments, and shares, you can support me. Thank you for watching and for your interest.